Are you planning your life around your period, carrying extra pads everywhere you go, worried about leaking through your clothes? If so, this video is for you. Many women think heavy bleeding is just something they have to live with, but the truth is, heavy bleeding can affect every part of your life. Let's talk about the hidden cost. First, the physical impact. Heavy bleeding can leave you feeling exhausted. You may feel weak, tired, dizzy, or like you have no energy. Some women struggle to get through the day because they are constantly drained. Second, the emotional impact. Heavy bleeding can create stress and anxiety. You may worry about accidents. You may feel frustrated that your body isn't doing what you want it to do. You may even start feeling isolated or alone. Third, the social impact. Many women stop doing things they enjoy. They avoid holidays, they avoid social events, they avoid long journeys. Some women even miss work or stay home because they don't feel confident leaving the house. I know this because I've spoken to so many women who feel like their lives are being controlled by their periods, and that is not something we should accept as normal. Heavy bleeding is not just about blood loss. It's about how it affects your confidence, your energy, your relationships, and your quality of life. The good news? The first step is understanding what your body is trying to tell you. When you start paying attention to your symptoms, you can begin making informed decisions about your health and your next steps. You deserve to live your life without constantly worrying about your next period. If heavy bleeding is one of your biggest challenges, comment heavy below. I'd love to know you're watching. And if you know another woman who is struggling with heavy periods or fibroids, please share this video with her. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fibroid healing tips and support every week. Remember, your symptoms may be common, but they are not something you have to ignore.